So guys, we made some yummy egusi soup, just a little budget soup that I made, Sometimes when we cook, we don't finish it, so I start to be cooking a little bit small, not like before. So this is the egusi. I try to mix it. So this is the egusi. I try to mix it. I put in the little, what do I call it again? Ogiri. So this is my oil. So let's start cooking. This is our red oil, guys. So I like to fry my egusi a little bit. Yeah. Go in with little onion. You guys know I've said it before. I don't like too much onion on my soup. Yeah. So I go in with the egusi. I've already mixed it with some water. So I'm gonna let it fry a little bit. So this is it. So you have cake. So much. Go in with our goat meat. I use goat meat on the fresh, my smoked fish and crawfish. That's what I use. I couldn't get the tribe. Yeah, so I didn't get the tribe, so I cooked like that. Rest some of my pepper, my seasoning, and all that. Go in with salt. My crawfish. Yeah. So the soup is coming together gradually, as you can see it. So we're gonna come back in some minutes to stir and check how the soup is doing. So this is my smoked fish. I smoked it. I was supposed to make it round, but the people that caught the fish, they wanna cut off the tail, so I couldn't round it to smoke. Well, this one is okay though. So yeah, got my soup. So we are back again to see how the soup is doing. It's doing good and bubbling. So we're gonna test and see if everything is okay in the right quantity. Yeah, so I got in with my scissor leaf. I don't have this is my last scissor leaf I have. This scissor leaf has served me for it's over a year now. Yeah, all of my African stuff is all gone. So I have to go online and check instead of shipping from Nigeria, because it's kind of like a double of what you're gonna buy it online. Yeah. So I got in with spinach, come back and stir. Soup is ready. Yeah, I didn't even use stockfish. All my stockfish is all gone. Yeah. So look at the soup. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Yeah. So our soup is ready. So guys, if you watch up to this point, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to subscribe for my Chicken Wosu TV on Facebook, Chicken Wosu on TikTok, Chicken Wosu. Okay, let's keep moving.